Hello students, welcome to Birla International School and you are watching your school channel Birla Kids. This is workbook of class 3rd and today we are going to solve worksheet 9th. The very first question is given, add the following. So we have to add the given numbers. Here are numbers given and we have to add them. Okay students, so start adding 3 and 6, 9, 9 and 2, 11. So 1 and carry over 1. 1 and 2, 3, 3 and 3, 6, 6 and 7, 13. So 3 here and 1 carry. 1 and 8, 9, 9 and 9, 18, 18 and 5, 23. So 3 here and 2 will be carry. Now 2 and 7, 9, 9 and 4, 13. This is the answer. See in the next, 3 and 6, 9, 9 and 2, 11. 1 carry over 1. 1 and 1, 2, 2 and 8, 10, 0, carry over 1, 1 and 6, 7, 7 and 2, 9, 9 and 3, 12, so 2 and 1 is carry, 1 and 4, 5, 5 and 2, 7, answer. See the next C, 4 and 3, 7, 7 and 8, 15, so 5, carry over 1, 1 and 2, 3, 3 and 2, 5, 5 and 5, 10, 0, carry over 1, 1 and 7, 8, 8 and 3, 11, 11 and 2, 13, 3, carry over 1, 1 and 2, 3, 3 and 5, 8. This is the answer. See the next question and the question D is given 5 and 5, 10, 10 and 8, 18. So 8, carry over 1. Here 1 and 2, 3, 3 and 6, 9, 9 and 8, 17. 7 carry over 1, 1 and 3, 4, 4 and 5, 9, 9 and 3, 12, 2 carry over 1, 1 and 8, 9. See in this one, 0 and 4, 4, 4 plus 9, 13, 3 carry over 1, 1 and 3, 4, 4 and 2, 6, 6 and 9, 15, 5 carry over 1, 1 and 5, 6, 6 and 3, 9, 9 and 3, 12, 2 carry over 1, 1 and 2, 3, 3 and 1, 4, 4 and 4, 8. See the next question, 9 and 8, 17, 17 and 3, 20, 0, carry over 2, 2 and 6, 8, 8 and 2, 10, 10 and 8, 18, 8, carry over 1, 1 and 3, 4, 4 and 9, 13, 13 and 5, 18, 8, carry over 1, 1 and 2, 3, 3 and 1, 4, 4 and 4, 8. Okay students, so question first. Continue question number second. Subtract the following. Now we have to subtract 5 minus 6, not possible. So carry from this digit. So this will be 2 and this 5 will be converted into 15. Now 15 minus 6 will be 9. 2 minus 7, not possible. So carry from here. So this digit will be 6 and here will be 12. Now 12 minus 7 will be 5. Continue 6 minus 8, not possible. So carry from this digit. This will be 7 and here will be 16. So 16 minus 8 will be 8. And last 7 minus 4 will be 3. Similarly, we have to subtract the second question. 3 minus 4 not possible. So carry from this digit. This will be 6 and here will be 13. Now 13 minus 4, 9. 6 minus 8 not possible. So carry from nearest digit. This will be 1 and here will be 16. 16 minus 8, 8. 1 minus 6 not possible. So continue. Borrow from this digit. This will be 8 and here will be 11. So 11 minus 6, 5. And last 8 minus 3 will be 5. See the next question. 0 minus 7 not possible. So we have to borrow from nearest digit. But it is already 0. So borrow from here. This will be 7 and this will be 10. Okay students. Now continue. 0 minus 7 not possible. So borrow from this digit. So this will be 9 and here will be 10. Now 10 minus 7, 3. Okay students, 9 minus 8, 1, 7 minus 2, 5, and 5 minus 3, 2. Continue next question. 2 minus 9 not possible. So borrow from this digit. This will be 1 and here will be 12. So 12 minus 9, 3. 1 minus 8 not possible. Borrow from this digit. This will be 7. Here will be 11. 11 minus 8, 3. 7 minus 7, 0. And 4 minus 2, 2. See in this question. 3 minus 4 not possible. Borrow from this. This will be 6 and here will be 13. So 13 minus 4, 9. 6 minus 8 not possible. Borrow from this digit. This will be 1. Here will be 16. 16 minus 8, 8. 1 minus 6 not possible. So borrow from this digit. This will be 8. Here will be 1. Now 11 minus 6 will be 5. And 8 minus 3, 5. See the last question. 0 minus 7 not possible. So we will borrow from this. But this digit is already 0. So we have to borrow from this digit. This will be 7 and here will be 10. Now continue. 0 minus 7 not possible. So borrow from this. This will be 9 and here will be 10. So 10 minus 7, 3. 9 minus 8, 1. 7 minus 2, 5. And 5 minus 3, 2. Okay students. So this worksheet completed. Now you have to write down these answers in your worksheet. And we will see you again with the solution of next worksheet 10th. Till then, have a good day.